Metamask airdrops instructions for beginners. Cryptocurrencies have become a hot topic in the financial world, and with them comes the concept of airdrops. Airdrops involve the distribution of free tokens to wallet holders, and one of the most popular tools to manage these tokens is Metamask. In this video, we'll provide beginners with a step-by-step guide on how to navigate Metamask airdrop instructions, ensuring you're well equipped to receive and manage your airdrop tokens. Understanding airdrops and Metamask. An airdrop occurs when a blockchain project distributes free tokens to holders of a specific cryptocurrency. These tokens are often used to promote a project, increase its user base, or reward existing supporters. Metamask, on the other hand, is a widely used cryptocurrency wallet and browser extension that allows users to manage their Ethereum-based assets, interact with decentralized applications, dApps, and facilitate airdrop participation. Step-by-step guide to Metamask airdrop instructions. Install Metamask. If you haven't already, install the Metamask extension in your preferred web browser. Create a new wallet or import an existing one by following the setup prompts. Ensure your wallet holds relevant tokens. Before participating in an airdrop, ensure that your Metamask wallet holds the specific cryptocurrency tokens required by the airdrop. Most airdrops are associated with Ethereum-based tokens like ERC20 tokens, so make sure your wallet contains these tokens. Stay updated. Keep an eye on official communication channels of the project from which you expect an airdrop. This could include their official website, social media, and community forums. Projects often announce airdrop details and instructions through these platforms. Visit the airdrop platform. Once the airdrop is announced, visit the official airdrop platform of the project. This could be a website or a dedicated page on their main site. Connect Metamask. On the airdrop platform, you'll likely see an option to connect your wallet. Click on this option, and a Metamask pop-up will appear asking for your permission to connect. Authorize access. Allow the airdrop platform to access your Metamask wallet. This connection is necessary for the platform to verify your wallet's holdings and eligibility for the airdrop. Complete verification steps. Some airdrop platforms may require additional verification steps, such as social media follows, sharing content, or joining specific communities. Follow these steps as directed. Claim your tokens. Once you've completed the required steps, the airdrop tokens will be automatically sent to your Metamask wallet. This process might not be instant, so be patient. Add custom tokens to Metamask. In some cases, the airdrop tokens might not be immediately visible in your Metamask wallet's balance. You'll need to manually add them as custom tokens by entering the token's contract address and decimals. Once you've successfully received your airdrop tokens in your Metamask wallet, you might be wondering how to manage and use them effectively. Here are some steps to consider. Check token balance. After the airdrop, ensure that the tokens have indeed been added to your Metamask wallet. You can do this by checking your wallet's token balance. If you don't see the tokens, try refreshing your wallet or adding them manually using the token's contract address. View token details. Metamask allows you to view detailed information about your tokens. Click on the Assets tab within the Metamask extension, and you'll see a list of all the tokens you hold. You can click on any token to see its value, transaction history, and other relevant information. Send and receive tokens. You can easily send your airdrop tokens to other wallets or exchanges. Click on the Send option within Metamask, select the token you want to send, enter the recipient's wallet address, and specify the amount. Remember that sending tokens usually incurs a small transaction fee. Interact with decentralized applications, dApps. Metamask also enables you to interact with various dApps that run on the Ethereum blockchain. These applications cover a wide range of use cases, from gaming to decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. Your airdrop tokens can be used within these dApps, so explore and experiment with different applications. Stay updated. Keep track of the airdrop tokens project updates, developments, and announcements. Sometimes, airdrop tokens might have utility beyond just holding them, such as participating in governance or earning rewards. Secure your wallet. As with any cryptocurrency wallet, security is paramount. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to safeguard your Metamask wallet from unauthorized access. Consider selling or trading. Depending on the project and your investment goals, you might choose to hold, sell, or trade your airdrop tokens. Research the market, project fundamentals, and potential growth before making any decisions. Security first. Always exercise caution when interacting with third-party platforms and websites. Only connect your wallet to official and trusted sources to avoid falling victim to scams. As you embark on your journey into the world of airdrops and cryptocurrency management with Metamask, consider this: how might the increasing popularity of airdrops influence the way projects promote and distribute their tokens in the future? Leave a comment below. For more information on Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.